Welcome to FM Show KE. As we continue keeping you updated with the latest development in the country, right now the story it heard is that of late Bishop Alan Kiuna's only son, Jeremy Kiuna. Now, today Jeremy Kiuna got emotional and broke down as church prayed for him to get a wife. Jeremy Kiuna recently celebrated his 24th birthday in a special way. This was his first birthday without his father, Bishop Alan Kiuna, who passed away just days before. The birthday event took place at Jubilee Christian Church, Parklands, where the congregation came together to celebrate Jeremy and pray for his future. Bishop Alan Kiuna was a well-known preacher who had a big impact on many people. His passing was a significant loss for his family and community. Jeremy, who turned 24 on July 21st, which is today 2024, has taken this birthday as an opportunity to honor his father's memory and carry on his legacy. The church service for Jeremy's birthday was filled with heartfelt moments. Pastor Andrew Mwangi led the prayers asking for blessings on Jeremy's life. The pastor prayed that Jeremy would find a good wife and that all of his father's dreams for him would come true. The church community hopes Jeremy will continue his father's important work and make a positive difference in the world. Kathy Kiuna, Jeremy's mother, also shared touching memories. She spoke about a prophetic statement Jeremy made during his father's funeral. As his father was being laid to rest, Jeremy said that although his father's passing was a significant loss, it would lead to a great harvest of blessings. Kade revealed that Jeremy's words were full of hope and faith in the future. Bishop Alan Kiuna had 3 children, Vanessa, Stephanie, and Jeremy. Vanessa, who lives in Australia and works as a lawyer, and her siblings have expressed their gratitude to everyone who supported them during their time of grief. They remembered their father with love and admiration, sharing how he deeply cared for his family. Jeremy, who recently graduated with his second degree, has promised to follow his father's teachings of love and forgiveness. He has vowed to get that degree in honor of his father. Yes, Jeremy Kiuna, today he was celebrating his birthday, which is a very emotional event. And all that we can say as FM Show KE is that we wish you nothing but the best, Mr. Jeremy, as you celebrate your 24th birthday. It is an emotional birthday, remembering that his father was buried 3 days ago, which was on Wednesday. Yes, all we can say is may God see you through, you together with your family during this time of grief. For now, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, FM Show, for more news, more update. Yes, that's what's up. See you in our next videos, guys.